Good morning to all. I'm going to discuss some one word substitution. So, the first word is incorrigible. Incorrigible means that cannot be corrected, or a person's and behavior cannot be changed or reformed. It's called incorrigible. So, there is an example also. Even after spending a year in a jail, the young man remains incorrigible and unafraid of the law. That means, so ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ ଜେଲରେ ବିତେଇଲା ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ହିଜ୍ ଦି ୟଙ୍ଗ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଦି ପର୍ସନ୍ସ ରିମେନ୍ incorrigible means he is not changed, he has not changed his mind yet, so still he is unafraid of the law, so he is incorrigible means he cannot be changed, that cannot be corrected is called incorrigible. So we'll proceed to the here also there is a grammatical point. After, when the preposition is, if when a verb is after preposition, there should be, the verb should be in verbal noun. So preposition thile verb re ing हुए ताको कहै verbal noun or gerund. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is called pedantic. Pedantic means a style in which a writer makes a display of knowledge, means showing his own academic excellence or strict to the rules. His lecture was so pedantic and uninteresting. His lecture was so pedantic means what is called, it is displaying his own knowledge, academic knowledge. Writer makes his display of knowledge. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is called linguist. Linguist means a person who study language, that is called linguist. And a study of language is called linguistics. It's a branch of English. There is a subject, what is called subject discipline in Hyderabad Central University is called linguistics, department of linguistics. You can also apply for MA. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is called panacea or panaceo. The pronunciation is panaceo. We'll proceed to the next word, that is panaceo. Panaceo means a remedy of all disease or ill, or an answer or solution for all problems or difficulties. It is called panaceo. The pronunciation, we look at the pronunciation, it's important. Panaceo, dantesho, panaceo. So that means his remedy of all disease, a solution for all problems. That means his there is example, his economic policy is a good one, but he tries to use it as a panac, so as a panacea. As a panacea means for all problem, panacea. So then we'll proceed to next word, that is called elisable. A text that cannot be read, not clear enough to read, that is elisable. Illegible means my handwriting is totally illegible. General doctors' handwritings are illegible. Illegible means nobody can understand and nobody can read. That is called illegible. And then we will proceed. Then we will proceed to the next word, that is called manuscript. Manuscript means a paper is written by hand. Manuscript, a paper is written by hand. Grantha, what is called nathi, talapato nathi, or a patra means what is called a paper written by hand. Paper means ଯେକୌଣସି paper ହଉ, ଆଗରୁ ତାଳପତ୍ର ଲେଖା ଯାଉଥିଲା, ତାଳପତ୍ର ଗନ୍ଥି କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା ତାକୁ, ନଥି. So his manuscript has been accepted for publication. His manuscript means ତାର handwritten has been accepted କରାଯାଇଛି publication ହେବା ପାଇଁ. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is called monarch. Monarchy. Monarchy means a form of government with a monarch at the head, that is called monarchy. A form of government that is monarch is a head, that is called monarchy. There is also example, a monarch in England plays important role in British culture. British culture रे monarchy को मध्य एबे भी respect दउचंती, एबे तांको राजा रानी को समय सम्मान, they giving much respect to their what is called queen and king. So that is monarchy is England. Monarchy is in England plays an important role in British culture. So and then we'll proceed to the next word. Then what is called oligarchy. Oligarchy means a state in which a few govern the many. Oligarchy means a state in which A few govern the many. A few govern the many. That is called oligarchy. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is plutocracy. Plutocracy means a state or the society governed by the wealthy peoples. That is called plutocracy. A state in which a state or the society governed by wealthy peoples, that is called plutocracy. Then we'll proceed to the next word, autocracy. Autocracy means a system of government by one person with absolute power. Absolute means what is called, there is no problem, no power with other people's, absolute power. A system of government by one person with absolute power, that means autocracy. The country is an autocracy that is controlled solely by member of the royal family. That is country. The country is an autocracy that is controlled by solely by member of royal families. They controlled solely means only by members of the royal family. So royal family द्वारा country कौन होची control करा जाउची. So it is called autocracy. A dictatorship is also type of autocracy. A dictatorship is a one type of autocracy. Dictatorship, not director. Dictatorship is a one of type of autocracy. Then what is called, we proceed to the next, polycracy. Polycracy means a system, political system governed by the many people. Poly means many. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is called bureaucracy. Next word we'll proceed, what is called bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means a government is ruled by government's official, that is called bureaucracy. A government is ruled by government official, that is called bureaucracy. Then we'll proceed to the next word, that is despotism. Despotism means a government dominates through threat of punishment and violence. A government dominates through the threat of punishment and violence. जे धमक आउ माने व्हाट इज कॉल्ड पनिशमेंट को दे कि जे गवर्नमेंट डोमिनेट करे पे चेष्टा करे, then it is called despotism. Despotism means the government is doing despotism, means showing his own power and giving punishment to the innocent people, public. So that is called despotism. So then we'll proceed to the next word, that is complete anarchy. Sorry, complete monarchy. Complete monarchy means totalitarian regime. When complete monarchy कौन कहजिबो, totalitarian means totalitarian regime, that is complete monarchy. When some persons माने dominates monarchy system means rajatantra. So complete monarchy, that is totalitarian regime. We'll proceed to the next word, that is called gynecocracy. Gynecocracy means a government ruled by women. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଓମେନ୍ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପରିଚାଳିତ ହେବ, ଓମେନ୍ ମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା, ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯିବ, ଗାଇନୋକୋକ୍ରାସି କୁହାଯିବ. ଦେନ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ଇଜ୍ କାକିଷ୍ଟୋକ୍ରାସି. Government is ruled by bad people. When government is ruled by bad peoples, means they're illegitimate, what is called, uneducated peoples, that is called kakistocracy. Then we'll proceed to the next word, neocracy. Neocracy means the government is ruled by inexperienced people. Inexperienced, bad people है like kakistocracy, inexperienced people है neocracy. New means new, inexperienced. They have no experience. The government is ruled by inexperienced people. It is neocracy. Then we will proceed to the next word, that is called meritocracy. A political system governed by superior of intellect. Superior intellect means they have money, knowledge, the intelligence person. That is called meritocracy. That is called meritocracy. Then we will proceed to the next word, anthropology. A study of ancient society is called anthropology. So then we'll proceed to the next word, that is antiquarian. What is the antiquarian? Antiquarian means a person who is collecting, studying and selling his old things or relating to rare books. That is called antiquarian. Library is rich with historical and antiquarian work. The library is rich with historical and antiquarian works. Then we'll proceed next word, that is called stickler. Stickler means a person who insists on something, certain quality or type of behaviors. A person who insists on a type of behaviors. Stickler. Look at the example. The actor is a stickler. Such a stickler फर गेटिंग इनटू रोल सेमती रोल भितर पशि जाइछि जे स्टिक हो जाइछि माने लागि जाइछि द एक्टर is a such stickler for getting into the role that he makes real family called him character's name ता निज फैमिली को मध्य कौन कही ता निज क्यारेक्टर नेम रे डाकिया पाई जस्ट लाइक व्हाट इज कॉल्ड हिज नेम इज व्हाट इज आमिर खान he also behave like the same things stickler so in PK he is also behaving like the same things so that is we'll proceed to the next word that is choose a word which is the best expression meaning of the given word means synonymy it is talking about synonymy august means what is the august means august मास हमें जानछंती when he is august person means respected dignified person so it is called august person revered so you can also say dignified then we'll proceed to the next word that is consequence what is consequence is result so consequence is result what is the consequence of your COVID-19 so it's a result many deaths it occurs many deaths it causes many deaths so we'll proceed to the next word inexplicable means unable to explain or unaccountable when I entered the abandoned house ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରବେଶ କଲି କ'ଣ abandoned house ମାନେ ପରିତ୍ୟକ୍ତ ହାଉସ୍ ଯେଉଁଠି କେହି ଲୋକମାନେ ବାସ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି and inexplicable feelings appear what is called so when I entered the abandoned house and inexplicable feeling explicables what is called when I entered the abandoned house and inexplicable feeling of fear made me in trouble when I entered the abandoned house ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ abandoned house ପ୍ରବେଶ କଲି an inexplicable feeling of fear made me trouble inexplicable means unable to explain or unable to unaccountable so you should pronounce this word I think I am getting a problem this on pronouncing this word that is called inexplicable you should break it also you can also break it inexplicable that means unable to explain when I entered the abandoned house an inexplicable feeling of fear made me trouble so I'm sorry because of I'm getting a problem in pronunciation okay then we'll proceed to the next word diligent means hardworking diligence is more important than intelligence for success in life success जीवन रे success पाया पाई being a diligent Einstein also कहथिले I am not intelligent I am a diligent person so diligence is more important than intelligence sometimes diligent hardworking beat the talents there is also proverb sometimes diligence beat the talents so use next I will say you should pronounce correctly that is called inexplicable so you can break it also so unable to explain or unaccountable when I entered the abandoned house ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ସେ ପରିତ୍ୟକ୍ତ ହାଉସ୍କୁ ଗଲି an inexplicable feeling ଯେଉଁଟାକି ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିହେବ ନାହିଁ that cannot be described in words that can be bigger description of fear made me troubles ମୋତେ ଥରାଇବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା so that is called inexplicable so I will conclude the class today right now thank you for being patient and see you in the next class thank you